Backbase is a software company that focuses on helping financial services institutions and large banks around the world deliver amazing and rich omni-channel experiences to their customers. To be, or to provide a digital experience that is great means to be seamless and relevant across touchpoint device or scenario. We deliver this with the Backbase digital banking platform. It comes with an array of out-of-the-box functionality to accelerate you on your journey to providing that next generation of digital experience to your customers. Since we were last here, we've had a huge amount of demand from both our customers and the market in general, essentially requesting, why isn't the caliber of Backbase experience that we get, why isn't it available for other areas of banking like retail, wealth and private banking? So we've taken that away, and we've been very busy in the last year, and today we'd like to show you something a little bit new, the Backbase Digital Banking Platform Edition for wealth and private banking. Yama.
Great, thank you, James. So what you see on the screen right now is Backbase for wealth management. Our new digital platform optimized for your most affluent and high net worth customers to make sure they're not longer stuck in a digital banking experience from the 90s, but they get on par with the retail banking experience, so a superior digital banking platform with all the out-of-the-box capabilities you need to support that private banking and wealth management scenario. So let me go through this demo as the end customer of the bank, currently logged into my internet banking environment. Immediately here at the dashboard, you will notice I have a total overview of my net worth. This is across accounts, across portfolios, and even when activated, across multiple financial institutions if I enable this. Below this, you will see a short account summary highlighting one of my portfolios. Immediately I have insight in the performance, and also the asset allocation is available down below. At the same time, of course, some industry KPIs to check how the market is doing is represented on my dashboard. We seamlessly blend wealth management capabilities with retail banking capabilities. So as the end customer, I have direct insight in my credit cards and the accounts I hold with this FI. And of course, here on the right-hand side, you will notice the promotion. So a next best offer prepared by the marketing team of the bank, targeted to me based on my online or mobile behavior. And of course, this dashboard is fully customizable. So as the end customer, I can add and remove new capabilities if I like to. So let me dive into my portfolio view and see the different portfolios I hold with this FI. On the left, I see the multiple portfolios, and here I can see the portfolio summary as a portfolio viewer across my different portfolios. And even this can be a portfolio manager if I want to manage my money standalone or in conjunction with the advisor. Immediately, I see the allocation breakdown per type, sector, performance, and even a geo allocation to see where the stocks and bonds I have in my portfolio are presented. I can drill down even further by going to the position list and maybe see my allocation based on continent or country level. And of course, if I like a more traditional table view, that's also available. Maybe more the traditional historical information is of course all available there as well, where I can easily go through the historical performance of my portfolios, have a timeline and a time adjuster, and even I can drill down at a certain asset allocation over time in a timeline. And of course, below here, all the operations fueling this dashboard. All the graphical tools to have direct insight in your portfolio's performance, and of course, seamlessly optimized are also run on the tablet to get direct insight in my portfolios. One thing we noticed is that your wealth management customers, your private banking customers, are also just normal people with normal banking needs. So they have also their regular accounts and their credit cards with your FI, and they want to have direct insight in the number of accounts and credit cards they have. Direct insight in the accounts, the account balance development, and of course the transaction list with PFM included to have the basic categorization of my different transactions presented here as well. A seamless blend between your wealth management capabilities and your retail banking capabilities in one digital platform. Another thing I want to show you is the research section. A lot of private bankers want to do something extra for their customers. And what they do is they prepare lengthy but mostly dull reports that actually are never read by your customers. We want to change that. We understand you want to do something extra. You want to provide them insight, news, and reports, but we do that in a new way, in the digital way. Call this Flipboard for banking. A seamless experience that works with big numbers, big images, video, really the new way of presenting the news and reports, Flipboard style, directly in your wealth management experience. And of course, client-advisor communications, very important, especially in a private banking and wealth management setting. I have direct access to the team that is responsible for me at the bank. I can initiate a quick chat, and if somebody is available, get an instant response. And even when I like to, can start maybe a video conversation. So everything from click to chat to video chat and co-browse, all available out of the box. Of course, as the end customer, I'm in full control over my own settings, can manage the products and the details, and even can do something around user management. Invite some of my family members and maybe my accountant to have access to my digital platform with basic entitlement management in place to make sure that they can control what they can do, what they can see, and what transactions they can make. Of course, what we realize is that this is just a regular web, but it's more and more important that your digital banking experience works anytime, any place, and on any device. So if we switch to the smartphone, you will notice that what we just saw in the regular banking platform is also available as a native app on my device, smartphone, tablet, and even wearables that are getting more popular nowadays. I can even browse the news here, dive into an article, and then start a conversation with my advisor, James here, to discuss the latest news. Thank you. James, back to you.
Thanks. So just to recap quickly what we've seen here, first of all, the Backbase digital banking platform helps you break down the silos within your organization. It helps you orchestrate your digital experience across touchpoint device, whether it's web, OS, or Android. Second of all, we fill that platform with an array of out-of-the-box functionality and capabilities that we call widgets. This has now been supplemented with our latest library of widgets for wealth and private banking. More than just a demonstration, Backbase is actually now used by over 70 financial institutions around the world, including Metrobank, Seahor, and Goldman Sachs. We really hope you've enjoyed the demonstration today as much as our guys have enjoyed working and building this latest edition of our software. If you've got any questions, we'd really love to talk to you down in our booth. Thank you.